Hello everyone. So basically this is what we'll be doing in May for my Patreons. As you can see, this is the stylized fire effect in Unreal Engine, and obviously there will be a version for Unity as well. So we're gonna have a single texture for our fire. We're gonna run it through some noise and erosion while it's rising up. We're gonna have the sparks as well. As you can see, they start very bright and then fade to the dark reds and just scale down with erosion as well. We're gonna be adding some lights, so we could get like a really nice flickering light for our environment. And we're gonna be implementing a bunch of tips and tricks into our materials and particle systems to, achieve this stylized look. And obviously it's gonna give us some room for adding additional features, like for example, if we want a different color for our fire, especially while it's rising towards the top and part of the texture. Sorry, the top part of the texture as well. So you'll be able to change the colors fairly quickly just using the material parameters. Okay. Also, I've got a couple stuff here to make it to move a lot faster if you want some sort of raging fire or maybe slow burning fire like that one, for example. But I just found this kind of value looks the best for me, so it's kind of somewhere in between a raging fire and just a regular fire, to be honest. Okay, so yeah, this is what we'll be doing this month. I hope you're gonna enjoy this one. I really enjoy making the stylized textures in Substance. I thought, it would be very difficult or even impossible to do, but it seems like, it's not perfect, but it's definitely, I think, getting there in terms of understanding me, trying to understand how to make it a little bit more stylized textured in Substance and put it into Game Engine, run it through a couple tips and tricks into in Material Editor just to get the that kind of stylized look in those particle systems. Okay, so yeah, I hope you're gonna enjoy this one, and see you in the next one.